Sairam children, welcome to EVS class. Let us start today's class by chanting Omkaram 3 times. Om. 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 Sairam children, yesterday we have learned about water cycle, isn't it? The process of evaporation, condensation, precipitation, all these things we have learned yesterday. So let us see how to draw water cycle in your notebook. Let us see it from the Tata class. It's okay, children. Let me to take the Tata class. It's yes, school's names came. Timing. Yes, it's coming. For class. This one. Children, the water goes in a cycle. Yesterday we have already discussed and learned it, isn't it? Now we can draw water cycle. See, look at the following picture and identify different stages of water cycle. Also, you can see the different stages, isn't it? Here from the sources of water, due to the heat of sunlight, what happens? It evaporates, isn't it? And here it condenses and precipitation, isn't it? This is the cycle, water cycle. So you can draw it in your notebook also and color it. Okay, children. Now, next one is this page is for you have to draw and label the different stages of water cycle. We have seen the different stages. You can draw and color here and you can write the stages also. Is it clear to all? Now we are going to the next part, that is a video. Okay, children? See, good and let me come. Yes, good and bad effects of raining. What happens if it does not rain? What happens if they are not getting water? So we will see a video. Watch a video and we will understand it. Okay, children? Okay, let me play the video. So, what are the good and bad effects of raining? Okay, children, let me play. What are the good and bad effects of raining? Aisha's aunt invited Asha to their house. They live in Peru village in Rajasthan. Aisha is super excited to go there since it is her summer holiday time. Let us see her journey to her aunt's place. Aisha's aunt lives in a small village called Peru that has approximately 60 houses. The place is all good except summer, where they have to travel miles to get water. This year, the rain very less and the hope of getting water from the nearby pond also vanished. Aisha did not face the situation any time, so she started helping her aunt and cousins in getting the water. Long walks in the sun in sweat of water resulted in blisters and sore feet. She remembers the days when she turned the tap on while brushing her teeth and realized her mistake. One day, there was a lot of noise in the home. Aisha's cousin said that the train carrying water came. All of them should go to fill the vessel and comes by going on a camel cart. But every time they are not lucky to get water. Most of the time they end up getting only 2 to 3 pots of water. Aisha also observed few houses had tanks. This is used to collect rainwater. Then she eagerly asked her uncle how it was constructed. Her uncle explained the process. Firstly, a pit should be dug in the courtyard. Then it should be made up by using cement. The roofs are built slanting and the pipe is attached to the roof. This pipe is connected to the tank. The starting of the pipe has a sieve which filters the dirt from the rainwater, and this tanga is closed by a lid. Now, this water can be consumed after cleaning. Sometimes, Aisha's aunt and family are allowed to take the water from the pond. After a week, Aisha returned to her place. She started sharing experience with her family members and explained about the water scarcity at her aunt's place. From then on, she asked her father not to allow tap dripping, but close it tight. She asked her mother not to waste the water that cleans the vegetables, but pour it into plants. She advised her brother to close the tap while brushing. She also followed the same. Later, she also advised her friends to reuse the wet water to clean their pets. She also just suggested her maid not to throw the washed cloth water so that they can be used to flush toilet and also to mop the floor. After returning from there, she understood the value of every drop of water. Now, the summary. It is very important, isn't it? Water is a precious resource. People preserve the rainwater in tanks and consume it after cleaning. We should not waste water. Always recycle and use water for multi-purpose. Do you understand? So, water is very important. Aisha now realized that water is very important, so we should not waste it. We can reuse the water. Is it clear to children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Now, I am coming out from this Tata class H. Yes. Now, we will see what are the sources of water. Okay, children? The main source of water is rain. What is the main source of water? It is rain. See, first picture we can see rain, isn't it? Now, can you identify this one? Yes, this is rain. Let me type. Okay. Now, what is this? This is a river. Okay, children? Is a river. Now, what is this?
Pond.
Yes, very good. You also used to draw 2, 3 ducks in the pond, isn't it? Isn't it, children? You like to draw ducks also, okay? So this is a pond. This is another source of water. Okay. Now, have you seen this one? This is a well.
Well.
Okay. This is a well. We can fetch water from the well. Okay, children. Mhm. What happened? It is. Oh, it is not coming. So it is well, children. Okay, children. WELL, well. Let me type here. Yes, it is a well. Now, this one. What is this? This is a sea. What is it? Sea. What is the spelling? Yes, E A. So these are the some of the water sources. Okay. So water is very important. Don't waste it. We have to save it. People used to construct a tank for collecting rainwater, isn't it? This is called rainwater harvesting. Okay. After cleaning the rainwater, we can use it. So, wet water is very important. All of you should close the tap, turn off the tap while you are brushing your teeth, isn't it? Okay, when you are going to the washroom, when you see water is dripping, you can close it tightly. So, water is very important. Without water, we cannot live. Is it clear, children? Now, next one, we are going to see the uses of water. All of us need water to drink, isn't it? Without water, we cannot live. So, water is very important. It is important for us. It is very precious also. So, we have to save it. So first main use of water is drinking. After that, all the things come, isn't it? Okay. Now, this is for bathing also, for animals and humans. Okay, children. Now we use water for cooking also, isn't it? Now, cleaning utensils, cleaning vegetables, washing vegetables, isn't it? So, for cleaning utensils, then washing vegetables, then mopping the floor. Yes, we need water for mopping the floor also. We can reuse water, isn't it? After washing the clothes, that water can be used for flushing the toilet and also for mopping the floor. Yes, next, washing the clothes and watering the plants. Aisha suggested her mother to reuse the water after washing the vegetables or pouring to the plants, isn't it? So we can reuse it. Otherwise, it is a wastage. We are throwing the water after washing the vegetable, isn't it? Because we don't know what important is water, because we are getting 24 hours water, isn't it? That's why we are wasting. So we should careful that we should not waste water. Otherwise, we will also face a scarcity of water, isn't it? See, now you can draw and color, and name any 4 sources of water. We have seen the sources of water here. So you can draw any picture, any 4 of them here, and you can write the name also. And what are the uses of water? You already learned. We have already discussed. You can write the uses of water also. Now, next one is how can we reuse water? We already discussed how can we reuse water. Means after using the water, it can again use. How can be used? Okay, that is the question. Is it clear to children? Now you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
draw and yes. Now you can color and color water cycle, and you can also write the steps. Okay, do you understand? Now today we will stop today's class. Tomorrow we will learn more in it is raining chapter. Okay, children. So we will end the class by chanting Shanti Path. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Sai Ram, children. Take care. Bye bye. We will meet tomorrow. Sai Ram.